I'm Melissa Miller and I'm a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil. I love this. I love this. So I'm using this tonight and I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a couple of pet memorials tonight that I'm using our wood for. And the idea for this is something that you could put ashes into. So if you have your pet cremated, you could drop some ashes right into this. We did some cremation blocks. So I'm gonna do in loving memory of a faithful friend. I'm gonna be using the color Pavement, just a good neutral. And I'm gonna just go ahead and fold mine into half and half again, okay? So I've got a little hand fold. I don't need a lot tonight, but then I'll just crease that down a little bit to help absorb. I'm gonna shake up a little bit of my Pavement right here. Okay. So I'm gonna use just some regular acrylic over this, and we're gonna see if it goes on a little bit better than the matte. The matte was a little bit thick, so I think that could have been the issue. So if you're someone that's like, I have been stenciling and I've had trouble and I don't know what I'm doing, think about your brushes, think about your paint, think about your offloading, think about, there's so many different factors. The surface that you're working on, feel like that paint is a little bit more movable. I can move it around a little bit more than that matte. So I'm getting a little bit, there we go. It should, so this is what it should do, guys. It should glide on a little bit easier for you. It shouldn't be a struggle. It shouldn't be something that you're like, what is going on? Okay. Pull this up. In loving memory of a faithful friend. I am going to do this on the other side. It's very rare that I have a project that just goes as planned, and sometimes that's just part of it. But I do love that about the wood, that I can sand it off and it won't take me any time at all to sand it off. If I had a sander right here, I could sand it off tonight and redo it in not very much time. Oh, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. And let me grab my pen because, well, what I would do, so if this were for, I won't personalize it, but I would write the name right in here, probably, or along the edge of the wing. I would just hand write the name. So these could be made up and then personalized, right? You just want to make sure that you're using something that will pop on the darker wood, because when I put wood honey on that, it is going to deepen all of it, and it will all go darker. If you ever want to test any of the wood to know what it's going to look like, you can add, like, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this. Whenever I oil it, it will look that dark. Okay? I'm just going to clean this. I laid it out on a wipe. We will wipe that off. And then I have a little imprint on here. I'll wipe off the back. And then I'll just let that dry for a minute. Hopefully these stencils will help you in your own business somehow, or in the own world of crafting that you're doing. So thank you guys so much. I will be here next Tuesday, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.